In today's video, I will walk you through how to log in on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram Web lets you access your Telegram chats directly from a web browser, making it easy to continue conversations, send messages, and manage your account from your computer without installing the desktop application. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to web.telegram.org. After the page loads, you'll be presented with the Telegram Web sign-in screen. Telegram Web usually offers two ways to sign in. The first option is by scanning a QR code using the Telegram app on your phone. The second option is by logging in with your phone number, if it's available in your region. If you're using the QR code method, leave the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Then, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Inside the Telegram app, open the Settings menu. Look for the Devices section, then select the option to link a desktop device or scan a QR code. Your phone's camera will open automatically. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the Telegram web page. Once the code is recognized, Telegram will verify your account and automatically sign you in on your browser. If your version of Telegram Web allows phone number login instead, select the option to sign in with your phone number. Choose your country, enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account, and continue to the verification step. Telegram will send a verification code to your Telegram account or through the available verification method. Enter the code when prompted to complete the login process. After verification is complete, Telegram Web will open your account. You'll immediately see your chats, contacts, groups, and channels synchronized from your mobile device. Everything is ready to use, allowing you to continue your conversations directly from your browser. And that's how to log in on Telegram Web. The process only takes a few moments, and once you're signed in, you can conveniently access your Telegram conversations from almost any computer with a supported web browser.